Can we come in?
Look at that.
Can we come in?
It's St. Patty's Day. $5 charge. Give me $5.
Well, my ass is lucky. Would you like to kiss my ass instead?
Okay, you're welcome to come in.
Yes. Hey, are you guys Irish? You're Irish?
Yes, I'm Irish.
You guys are Irish?
100%, baby, 100%.
My ass is lucky. Kiss it. Come on. Kiss my ass. Come on. Come on, give it a kiss. Yeah. Come on, give it a kiss. Yeah. Come on, it's lucky.
Kiss it right there.
Happy St. Patty's Day. Hey, how you guys doing?
Do anything?
I love it.
You guys,
What does your dog do?
my dog drinks. He smokes a lot of weed and he parties.
He drinks
And he draws chalk art.
Yeah.
And he
You
draws
have a
chalk
highly
art.
talented dog.
Hey, are you guys even Irish?
Yeah.
A little bit. Can you a little bit kiss my ass?
No.
I'm not gonna kiss that.
She'll do it.
So you guys getting drunk?
No, never. I never do that.
I don't drink it.
Happy Irish Day! Hey, you! Irish?
Absolutely!
Irish? Yeah, are you sure? Come on. Are you sure? You believe in good luck, right? You believe in good luck, right?
Absolutely!
Kiss my ass. Come on, do it. It's lucky. I swear. Kiss it. Kiss my ass. It's lucky. It's lucky, I swear.
That's all.
Unicycle! Happy St. Patrick's Day! Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Yo, you're fucking awesome.
Yeah, I am awesome. Thank you. Hey.
I'm just saying.
I say kiss my furry little butt.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did. I'm so G. We got the Blues Brothers. It's my girlfriend. Hello. How you doing? Are you having a good St. Patrick's Day?
No, she's interested.
Ooh. Hey, sweet thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It is bound to happen, isn't it?
Take the picture.
Hey.
Yo,
Happy Irish Day. Are you Irish?
Oh, fuck that dog.
Are you Irish?
You would too. I don't give a shit.
Are you guys Irish?
Wherever
Fuck a girl with three wooden tits, one leg, and a potato sack called Geppetto, and I play bingo with her on Thursday.
Oh.
That's right.
Oh.
What's up, bitch? My dick's a size 7, but you kind of fine on sexual 9. It goes deep up in that shit. I'm fucking pussy driving on 15.
Yeah,
19, I'm a
spit
young
that
ass
shit.
man. Guys, the brown your skin is fan. Like, you read that guy who fuck, please. I'm like, please do the fuck up, you're running with him.
Hey, Paul Pierce. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I just listened really well. I did not kill me. How you guys doing? Are you guys having a good Irish Day? Nice. And you guys are Irish, right?
No, we're not Irish.
No.
Polish. We're Polish, man.
Oh.
buddy.
Well, in Irish tradition, we gotta kiss. You have to kiss the Blarney Stone.
And everything, we got the hats on.
There's no Blarney Stone though, so you guys are gonna have to kiss my ass. Is that okay?
Kick your ass. I ain't kissing nobody's
Kiss
ass.
my ass. It's okay.
Nobody's ass.
It's lucky.
We're gonna kick your ass if you don't get out of here if you're doing that.
Brr.
Come over there, yeah.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. How are you guys doing?
That's the most adorable fake dog ever
Why,
seen in my life.
thank you.
It's gorgeous.
Would you like to kiss my ass? It's very lucky on St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's as real as Shania Twain's ass. You must be Irish. You must be Irish. Yeah. He's hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Look at that necklace. Look at that bling right
That's
there.
some bling. That's bling, man. Are you Irish?
Yeah.
Are you Irish? Hey, are you Irish? You're half Irish?
Oh yeah, Dave.
Half kiss my ass. Come on, it's good luck. Yeah! Bestiality! Yeah!
Oh my God.
You,
Bling
what?
bling.
You want some of this? Oh yeah. Hey, how's it going? I think you got my girlfriend, man. You got my girlfriend. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, hold on.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hey, are you guys Irish?
Half Irish.
Half Irish? Half kiss my ass. Raise the woo. People kiss my ass all the time.